Quality is better, but also you can actually allows you to see and try the different things a little bit. Okay. However, don't settle down with just one generation. Okay, so as you use AI, you know that it's very important to give all the feedback, constantly giving feedback. Okay, you got to tell them what you want to do. Okay, so let me first of all, I don't need all of this on the screen. Okay, so remove UX analysis and interface planning screens. I only want to see the actual app design. Okay, that's one feedback I have. Secondly, I feel that the overall the text is too much. Okay, I feel this app should be simpler than this. Okay, overall, I just feel the text is too much. Please make the app more concise, simple, and clean. I don't know exactly what to change, but you just provide that feedback. Okay, all right. Also, it's helpful to separate the screens by the user roles. All right, I'll give the three feedback, and then they start to modify and change the code again. Okay, so while it's working, let's actually check out. Okay, so Cloud Code is still doing, it's almost finished. Looks like they just finished. They're about to create this index file, and hopefully they can give us a better design. Okay, since this takes a lot longer. All right. So Cloud Code was very popular last year, and then recently the Codex actually came after Cloud Code, but Codex is catching up pretty quickly. All right. Um, I also like Codex has a little like a UI window here. You can manage this one, but Cloud Code has the same thing. And yeah, these two are pretty much the best two so far. All right, so Cloud Code is done. Let's take a look. And then they also generate a lot of things. As you can see, they actually know how to split all different rows. Okay, so open this file. I'm going to open this. Oops. All right, so I'll go to here. And their design is in the lunch number 3. Okay, right here. Similar number of files. Let's take a look at what they have. All right, so this is coming from Cloud Code. Overall looks, a little bit nicer. Okay, so they have a splash screen. They have a login screen, and here you have a scroll bar to figure out the budget, and then you have a category. It looks very similar to the DoorDash. And then here you can just explore and you find the details. Okay, and then you add that to the cart, and you check out, you check the status, your profile. Okay. And what's really good is they already split the roles. Here's the user flow. Here's the vendor flow. For vendor, the most important thing that they can see their active orders, accept, decline, and market ready. And once that's ready, you can see also all the payments. All right, and then there is also the admin. Admin can go here, add item, add vendor, edit all the information. All right, so from this perspective, yeah, definitely the cloud code looks little bit better. It's more complete, more professional by splitting all the users. But I might want to give the similar comments. I don't want to make this one another like a DoorDash. Okay, just make it really simple, less text. Okay, so I'll provide the same kind of feedback. Okay, just give me something more simple. Okay, so it looks like this one is done. Okay, we're gonna go back to Codex, refresh. All right, so there's no that kind of a useless screen, and they did cut a lot of text. Okay, so here is a budget only, and you can see the results list. All right, go find the details, add order, and yeah. So, but this one is it's a lot of empty screens, right? So still not really good. So keep pushing them, or keep asking and to provide more. Okay, and now the app has a lot of empty spaces in different screens, which is not professional. Please fix them. Okay. I don't need to tell how to fix, but you point out the issues, you point out the goals, and then let AI to take care of it. Okay. So this one is trying to work on the text. Right. All right, now they're updating on the different screens. All right, so looks like overall codecs is definitely a lot faster. And then this model they're using is something, I think it's one of their newest model. Okay, the 5.3 for codecs. Should be pretty good, but you gotta say that quality isn't as nice as the other one. Okay, so they start to make all the changes. Yeah, they basically fill up more list items so that you can have a full screen. And this one is okay. And the checkout screen, setting profile order. Okay, and then vendor they have this, admin they have this. Okay. All right. So not bad. I mean, that's just a starting point. Okay. For this, you can even give some other feedback like style. Okay. So I want this one. Please change the whole scene to fit the color of Cloud Poly Promoter. Okay. So that should be also an easy change for them. So they figure out our color is green and gold. All right. So it looks like they are also done. Nope, they're about to make the changes. All right, so this is good. And then let's see their style changes. Yeah, a little bit, right? So they change some, they bring the green color, they bring the button to be gold. And that's just our scene. Okay.